What? I got a new camera? No, it's just a phone that I wirelessly connected to my computer through a fun app called Irian Webcam. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Anyways, let's get on with this edition of the shortest geometry lesson of all time. Today, we're going to learn how to find the surface area of a three-dimensional shape. Now, if you've already learned about area and perimeter and all that other junk in 5th grade math, then this concept will probably be pretty straightforward. If you haven't learned about that stuff, then go learn it. Anyhow, on with the lesson. For this lesson, I'm going to use this beautiful cylinder. Isn't it nice? The cylinder is 5 inches tall and 6 inches in diameter. Now to find the surface area. To make the example easier, we're going to sort of unfold this cylinder. This is called a net diagram. On this diagram, we can lay out our measurements and begin the calculations. The first thing we're going to have to do is find the circumference of one of these circles, which on a cylinder are called the bases. Because we have the diameter and not the radius of the circle, I'll use the appropriate formula, pi times the diameter. And look at that, we got 18.84, but I'm just going to round it up to 19. Now, because we're already working on the bases, let's find their area. The equation for this is pi times the radius squared. Radius is half of the diameter, so it's 3 in our case. The answer to this is a big fat 28.26, but I'm going to pretend it's just 28. Now onto the big rectangle in the middle, which is the side. To get the area for this, all we have to do is multiply the circumference of the base with the height of the whole cylinder, which is 5, and we get 95. Now, finally after all that, we can do the last equation. For this, we'll add the area of the side, which is 95, with the area of the base, which is 28. But we can't forget that there are 2 circly bits. So, we'll also multiply that 28 by 2, which gets us 56. So, the answer to all of this is 151. Ta-da! Wow! We're so good. But unfortunately, the answer to the example problem brings with it the end of the video. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then I'd like to remind you to like the video and subscribe if you want to. Of course, that's always up to you. And I completely understand if you don't want to have small channels cluttering up your liked video and subscriber list. Okay, I'm going to go do other things now. Bye!